Okay, let us discuss further few questions about EMS 2020 post graduation examination. Image of skull base fracture was given and answer was fissured. An X-ray image was given 45-year-old male with backache and difficulty in neck movement with history of 20 years, and the answer is this: diffuse idiopathic skeletal hyperostosis. A patient after total knee replacement complained of loosening. What may be the causes? Metallosis. A graph was given and some markings are given on these curves and asked for gamma globulin chain production. Then this curve is will be the answer. I will upload a separate all image based questions in a different video, so keep in touch, guys. This questions language is not very much clear, that's why it is still in pending. If you know, then comment the answers. Next question: flagellated dermatitis, drug responsible for bleomycin. Bleomycin side effect is flagellated dermatitis. A bag, a person's back was given and some rashes there. Methyl isothiazolinone is cosmetic in preservatives. Antifungal with anti-inflammatory and antipyretic properties, cetoconazole. Image based question was given: following a trauma with the linear lesion along with the extremity is porotrichosis. History of fever and joint pain following intake of NSAIDs developed over the nose after 1 week. What is the diagnosis? Chikungunya fever. It is a multiple time repeat question in EMS examination. Not a part of RBSK, राष्ट्रीय बाल सुरक्षा कार्यक्रम में पार्ट कौन नहीं है? कंजेनाइटल ग्लाइकोमा. For virus culture, COVID-19 biosafety level of lab. It should be BSL 3 because if we talk about virus culture, then it should be BSL 3 labs. PEP for HIV. In this also option was not so clear, but it should be Gido, Lamy and Indinavir combination. Sentinel surveillance HIV population includes STD clinic attendees. Scrub typhus life cycle was given, and which of the following is feature of reference women for calculating RDA. RDA के लिए दिया था. Then option was 55 kg weight, height, age and working hour. Answer is 55 kg because all are wrong. If we talk about height, 1.61 meter should be for a RDA woman, and if we talk about age, it should be 18 to 29 and working hour it should be 8 hours. So answer is 55 kg. One question about MMR, 1 upon 1 lakh live births. One question about non-parametric test, Friedman. Anemia Mukt Bharat dosage for adolescent girl, 60 milligram iron, elemental iron and 500 microgram folic acid weekly. Next है पोषण योजना, 500 per month incentive is given. It's not weekly, it's monthly. Latex glove after use discarded in red bag. Pacemaker discarded in blue bag. GCS is which type of scale? Ordinal. Aerosol protection is used in which of the following? Whooping cough. Dose of tetanus toxoid greater than 0.01 international unit per ml. So these are the few questions. I am keep uploading more and more questions, so keep in touch and subscribe my channel. Thank you, guys.